shiny and glossy it should be, and glassy. So Apple did it. And sure, also Gutenberg can do it. We will come to it later. So we start here with a page. You see two colors, somehow a background, a shadow around, but it's not glassy. So let's go in, tick this. Maybe we just look what we have. We have a group with space, and then we have two columns. Nothing more. So, and you just gave this one another color. So then we go to background. Let me just switch myself. Go to color, and here you can do the magic. You can do this somehow that you can see it. It's doing it with transparent. Let's check it out how it's look like. So okay, not so real transparent. So my idea is to take a strong color and then reduce it, so you get more the dark part in it. Somehow okay, but so if you have a structure behind, then it's also good. One thing that's bad here, we changed. We are from Webinar Ignition, changing the background color by. No, we taking the change. We take the background color from your theme, from your FSE Gutenberg theme, front side editing theme, and here we change the background so it's not matching anymore. So one moment. I just brought back the settings tab from Webinar Ignition, which is free on WordPress, Webinar and Ignition. And here we have a new shortcut. Maybe you use it from the beginning. So, and here we can add background color, example, and then more here, then you can read it. Example, transparent. So we remove all this, and then the background color gets transparent. Last space, and then I will take it. So now it's very cool, and yeah, that looks good. So you can also change the text, but you see the text is matching to this color, so there's no need to do it. So I would say that's it for this page. Let's jump into this page. So what I did a fixed background with a structure, and I like it. It says SVG. Okay, doesn't like to be shown again. Let's do incognito. Here. Okay, that's doing the split test. So you see something is building up, and it's just 7 kilobyte big. This SVG, and then you see here. So we have a structure that you really see that something is transparent, and yeah, that's Gutenberg plugin installed, and this Otter. So I don't figure it out what is the part of Otter and what is not a part of Otter. So what I did is I added a background and did here multiply, because you can decide if you want to make it less light, for example, lighter, but you see then the structure is gone. So I wanted to have it multiply, so the structure is more seen, more highlighted, and then do some opacity. So 100% is 100%, and then it's not doing so much. And sure, we need some box shadow. Always go with this here, and then I was doing horizontal and vertical 0 and used the darkest color again. Yeah, that's some opacity. It's only the, sorry, it's only the, it's only the shadow. Okay, so here is the opacity. Yeah, but we had this already. Okay, so that's how I would say a good classy effect can be done. Also on your page, sure, it's because of the split test. It's coming a lot of pages below each other, but you see this is normal, and this is like some classy thing, and I like this very much. And yeah, both done with Gutenberg. I'm a Gutenberg fan, and Webinar Ignition will have Gutenberg pages built in, and also working with other themes. So you have like other page builder, other themes installed, and still we enable Gutenberg with one on this page, and it will work. So, and for me, Gutenberg is the future. Still, it's not so easy and not so user friendly as it should be, but it's built in, it's free, and what I like most, I can go inside here and just grab the code and paste it into your site, and then you nearly have the same design. Everything is good. So it's only the only thing that you have on top is the page template that's coming on top, and the colors from your theme, but that's sure it's important that it's taking the colors from your theme. Yeah. So I wanted to show you the new shortcode. It's in 18 in the end beta if you have paid webinar, and soon it will be released in the free version. And here you can adjust things, adjust the background to transparent. We cannot do it by default. That my designer was complaining and saying, oh, no. That's could be, you can't see any the color here. Maybe the color is then, the text is the same as the background, and then not working. That's why we don't do it. That's why we take the background from your theme. Okay, for me, this looks beautiful. So you have a question how to change the button. Do this in registration. And here, last option, and here is the button color. It's green by default. Let's make it red. This week you can change the text. This week we will, or next week, we will also add the text, that you can change the text color, because now it's white. Sure, and with white and red it's good, but if you do yellow, then we stay white, and now we do black. Okay, so that's already good. It's calculating the color, and that's very beautiful.